Big loads, extreme conditions, and jaw-dropping skill. This is heavy transport at its finest. From insane mountain descents to monster machines squeezing through tight spaces, every moment is a test of precision and power. Buckle up. You're about to witness transport mastery in action. Man, that's next-level trucking. This is iPetri's wild descent to Sokolinoe, 40 hairpin turns in just 24 kilometers. Add in natural springs, both living and dead, and this route is straight out of a legend. Hauling two massive excavators up an 1,800-meter mountain isn't just a transport challenge, it's an intense engineering puzzle. The team at Fasula's Heavy Transports has to calculate load distribution, traction, and turning angles down to the centimeter. One small mistake could mean getting stuck, or worse, sliding off the edge. These guys are the masters of their craft. Think that road was tough? Check this one out. No shoulders, no escape, just towering dirt walls pressing in on both sides. Drivers must hold steady because even a slight miscalculation means getting stuck, sinking, or worse. In heart-stopping situations like these, what we need is a driver who makes the impossible look easy. Can you imagine steering a massive truck through hairpin turns with pinpoint precision? That's exactly what they do, a flawless combination of experience, calmness, and mind-blowing calculation. Watching them in action, I won't be able to look away, and all I'll be able to say is, unbelievable. Get ready for something incredible, the launch of NM João Malman. This brand new vessel from Navegação Aliança, built by Intecnil in Araquim and assembled in Triunfo, joins the prestigious Founders Series, honoring Trevisa's legacy. It's a proud moment for maritime engineering. The journey offshore begins now. Okay, let's break it down. How do you manage massive loads without losing control? The Oshkosh Truck's Detroit two-stroke engine is the powerhouse here, cranking out serious torque. But it's the Western Star's planetary gears that really help keep everything steady, ensuring that the load doesn't throw off the balance. Meanwhile, the Kenworth W990 and T800 trucks are built for speed, but under that weight, it takes extra effort to keep things steady. What does it take to build a wind farm like the ones we see towering over the landscape? Massive turbine components must be transported across challenging roads, and right now, in Alta Floresta, MT, we're witnessing an absolutely incredible sight. A 270-ton rotor carried on a massive rig with 128 wheels, rolling through tough terrain. All eyes are locked on this oversized haul. It's impossible to look away. After that, the giant wind turbine blades roll down the back roads, like an artist's brush painting a cleaner, greener future. These massive structures aren't just parts of a machine, they're instruments in our symphony of sustainability. Breaking news from the Dead Sea. A Liebherr LTM 1200 crane has flipped, causing a tense moment. Thankfully, no one was injured. The recovery operation was flawless, smooth, well-coordinated, and executed with precision. This is a perfect example of how thorough planning can turn chaos into calm. A mile-long truck? That's like something from a science fiction movie. Imagine trying to merge onto a highway with that beast. Whether it's real or not, it's making me think about just how hard truck drivers' jobs must be. You'd need a whole team just to figure out the best route for that thing.
Let this baby sit. Come on, baby.
First, it's stuck in the mud. Now, it's sinking into the sand. Talk about bad luck. But with 100 horsepower and a 1,500 kilogram lift capacity, this cat skid steer isn't going down without a fight. It's made for the toughest jobs, turning tricky situations into just another day at work. Ever seen a machine muscle through terrain like this?
So we got the skidder on the back. We're gonna do it all in one motion. That's why I like to have everything in order. Everything in order. It's not too bad. Let's What's most of the hardest thing is that front axle right there.
Surprise! Imagine a 200-ton historical house making its way through icy streets, a feat that seems impossible. The Carl Schwerlast team employed 3-man TGX 41.640 trucks, each equipped with a 640-horsepower D38 engine and an 8x4 configuration, providing robust traction and control. The convoy utilized 22 Goldhofer THP/SL axle lines, each capable of bearing up to 45 tons, ensuring even weight distribution and stability. This meticulous coordination and specialized equipment were crucial in navigating tight urban spaces and adverse weather conditions, culminating in a successful relocation. In heavy transport, giants like MAN, Volvo, and Scania rule the roads. But what if a tiny car steps up to the challenge? This little beast, the Fiat 126P, is pulling 4 massive trailers, a total of 20 tons. Watch closely as torque, gearing, and tire grip battle against sheer mass. Will this underdog defy expectations? Drop your thoughts below. Buckle up. These GAT roads are no joke. Steep climbs, razor-sharp turns, and barely enough space to squeeze through. These drivers face that reality every day. Watch as they tackle tight curves and sudden drops, their skill keeping tons of steel from tipping over the edge. Every sharp turn is a breath-holding moment. Oh man, this Unimog is built different. The way it drops down that slope and swings around like it's nothing? Absolute mastery. That's why these rigs are legends in off-road trucking. Let's talk about moving history. The ET-94 wasn't just any cargo. It was NASA's last space shuttle fuel tank, and Emmert had to get it through the heart of LA. At 155 feet long, it took expert drivers, careful planning, and even police shutting down streets. The foam exterior? Super fragile. It took 18 hours of skillful maneuvering to get this piece of spaceflight history safely to the California Science Center. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. That climb is intense. Seeing the truck fight its way up the hill has me on the edge of my seat. The way the driver handles it with such precision is seriously impressive. Seeing the Kamag slab transporter in action is jaw-dropping. This 132-ton monster, powered by a 548-horsepower Caterpillar engine, glides through obstacles that would stop lesser machines in their tracks. Roundabouts look impossibly tight, and low bridges push its limits, but expert operators guide it with insane precision. The future of transport is here, and it's a sight to behold. Hats off to Heavy Lift Logistica. Transporting two 130-ton rotary dryers over such a long distance is no small feat. The challenges of weak bridges and tight bends demand exceptional skill and foresight. Their ability to adapt to changing road conditions is impressive. How do they keep everything safe during such a huge transport? This is the Sleipner DB120 Plus, an optimal transport solution for heavy equipment like the Caterpillar D11T. Instead of dismantling, this system allows the entire dozer to be moved in one piece, saving time, cutting costs, and maximizing efficiency. Its smart design minimizes wear and tear while ensuring the safety of these high-value machines. On the other hand, how do you move a massive excavator around a job site? Instead of traditional methods, using the Sleipner DB120 Plus is a smart choice. Since late 2011, Sleipner has developed this system to deliver real benefits to customers. It's easy to use, safe, and helps save production time, cut maintenance costs, reduce fuel consumption, and lower CO2 emissions. Innovation at work. Instead of dismantling piece by piece, this process streamlines the disassembly of the Komatsu PC8000 superstructure. At Drummond, Columbia, skilled Komatsu technicians are replacing the swing bearing, a high-precision task that ensures smooth, powerful movement for this mining titan. Oversized load transport is a logistical challenge, especially in urban environments. The Hanum project highlights the necessity of police coordination to mitigate risks and ensure compliance with traffic regulations. In many countries, police escorts for such operations are standard practice, allowing transport companies to execute complex maneuvers with minimal disruption. Meet the Fat Truck, a beast of an off-road machine. Built by Zeal Motor Inc., this rugged four-wheeler conquers extreme terrains, hauling crews and cargo where others fail. And the kicker? It floats. No mud, snow, or water can stop this powerhouse from getting the job done. Tijuana, Baja California, a terrifying bus rollover on the Tijuana-Tecate Highway. Gruas Peña's rescue team is deploying a heavy-duty crane to get it back on its wheels. The tension is off the charts as tons of steel hang in the air. Can they pull off this high-stakes recovery safely? Welcome to Mega Machines, Earth Movers. We're with Shunk, watching their motor scrapers in action. These machines can move tons of earth in no time, turning rough terrain into smooth, build-ready sites. It's amazing how technology can transform construction. Whoa, that 183-ton beast is climbing like it owns the road. The raw power behind this is insane. Every inch forward is a battle, and it's winning. In the dead of night, a colossal cold box embarks on its journey. Transported by Welty Fur, this high-tech unit is essential for the ITER project, a venture shaping the future of energy. If you love seeing big rigs take on massive loads, this is one haul you don't want to miss. Witness the power of determination in action. Moving a 6-meter wide boat through city streets is no small feat. But the real nail-biter, getting it safely into the water. It takes teamwork, precision, and nerves of steel. One wrong move, and it's chaos. That's the kind of moment you can't help but admire. Mind blown? You're not alone. Heavy transport is more than just brute force. It's science, skill, and pure determination. If you want more, make sure to subscribe. We've got even crazier feats coming your way.